Welcome back my YouTube channel. Cùng nó bàn kren pareng ha ka jing ya lang ba kane ka video kan yarab ya pi la da pi asneu jing man toy na kane ka video wanam klan ban share lam shaki perlok la ne haying hasam jong pi wanam klan ro ban like share and subscribe aleng in ya page ya kane ka jing hikai. It's an honor for me to be here. Kasi kalong kaburam yanga ban don hangne. Thank you, John, for inviting me. Kasi kublai shibon John ya kajing khot jongpi yanga. To attend these programs. Kasi bandon lang ha kane programs. It's my first time to be here. Kasi kalong kasin ban gong yana bandon hamne. Actually, I supposed to gong last year. Kasi ha kajin shisha nga lamon banwan man shamsnam. But today, by God grace, I come here. Kasi henrei menta kasni da ka jing isin ai jong uplei nga lawan hangne. Thank you all of you for your patience. Kasi kublei shibon yapi baro ya ka jing yai sha jongpi. Your village is very clean and beautiful. Kasi kashnong jongpi kalong kabakuj but internet. The people here is very good. Kasi kibriu hangne kilong kibabha. Let your village be an example to others. Kasi aiba kashnong jongpi kanlong kanuksa ya kiwaipat. I want to give you some message. Kasi nga kwa ban ay yapi kato katne kikubor. Whatever you doing, don't lose hope. Kasi kano kaba pile wadu jengkerman. When you feel like quitting, remember why you started. Kasi haba pisngau bakumba pin ino ken mau balay pisdang. In our life, always ups and down. Kasi ha kaching im jongi barabor kadon kaching siu but kaching here. When you are doing goods, God will bless you. Kasi haba pile ya kababha ublay kurku yapi. Always be a humble person. Kasi barabor tolong kibriu kibas ngaurin. With these few words, I conclude my speech. Kasi tangkine kikantin kibakandian ngan penkut no ya kane kajingkren jonga. Hope we will meet again. Kasi kalmen ngin saya kendo bat. See you in the next video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe